Hey guys, okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a review over the Lizzie. Forget what pattern this is, but it's just a shoulder strap. This is my one I carry everywhere. I also carry matching thing. I look why I look horrible right now. Okay, it's like midnight, so I'm about to go to bed, but I just felt like I needed to do this video. Okay, so in the front, here, it's a little magnetic opener, and there's a clear ID for like school ID or whatever, but it's summer right now, so there, and then you open it up, and it's a large pocket. Then there's a slip through in between the magnetic and the large zipper. I'm not gonna normally carry my phone or something in there, so I like maybe my little zip, so I could just slide it right out. But then there's a large. It's pretty big. There is two pockets. One, it's right here, and the second one's right here. There's also a back pocket, and it has 6 card slots, 3 on each side. And it is a shoulder strap, so it goes around your shoulder like this. And then there's a metal, kind of metalish adjuster, and it says Vera Bradley on it, and it's super cute, and you can make it like whichever size you need to. And I like on this bag how the straps are on the back, so like it's not in the front, so it doesn't like flop everywhere, but it's in the back. And there's also another little magnetic piece here. It doesn't say anything, just so that's you, Lizzie. I'm also gonna do a little view of the little, I don't know what it's called. It's just a thing to keep money in or whatever. Okay, so in the front there is a ID, your car ID, your school ID, whatever. Then there's another pocket, and I just carry some money, like $15 maybe. And I also carry my debit card, which is right here in my hand. Just can't show you. Yeah. So they're both matching, and I got them both today for my birthday. And I will be getting some more soon, so I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye!